This is our website. Any people can understand it. This website will be indexed by Bing and Yahoo search engine. We can use it for Bing Webmaster Tool. That is called how to configure Bing Search Console. Nothing but will configure by the Yahoo and Bing search engine. So enter for bing.com/webmaster, bing.com/webmaster. So first of all, you can select your option. This is totally two URLs: bing.com/webmaster, bing.com/toolbox/webmaster. Two URLs. Now click for sign in. You can using three options: Microsoft, Google, and Facebook. Previous only you can eligible Microsoft. This is called Outlook, Live, and Hotmail. Now they can access by three one: Microsoft, Google, and Facebook. Select by Google. Log in with your Google account. Select your account will be successfully generated. So any Google Webmaster without XML sitemap, we can't configure Bing Webmaster tool. Sitemap.xml is a mandatory field. That is called copy this, add your site, click for add. So I'm already discussed. We're adding for XML sitemap. So any Bing Webmaster accept by the along with the XML sitemap. When add this, add by the XML sitemap. Yeah. Select it. Sitemap.xml is a must important. And your account will be created first time. You can select by the working timings. Your Google Webmaster working timings. All days the default. Any particular hours you can find out the traffic. So the particular hour. 4 a.m. to 9 a.m., 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., 5 p.m. to 11 p.m., 11 p.m. to 4 a.m. But I'm looking for report will be all days will be default. So add your details, everything will be. So my report will checking for daily. So I add the report here. After all details, now click for save. Details are mandatory along with address. Without adding details, Bing Webmaster will not configure. So it will be going to here, call errors, sitemap, index issues, and malware. Any website issues, any indexing problems, the report given by the Bing Webmaster tool along with the Yahoo and the Bing Search Console. So any Bing Webmaster verify with the extension will be called XML. Here, Google Webmaster extension will be HTML. Bing will be extension will be XML, extended markup language. Download the file. The file will upload by your cPanel. Go to File Manager. Any file, the upload by the cPanel is a mandatory field. This is eligible for PHP, HTML, or WordPress, Joomla, Drupal. Any website will be same procedure. Go to public_HTML, upload file using download folder. Bing. Once verify this, click for verify this option. Without file upload, it will be not verified. Suppose your website will be free using for this Bing code. Premium, download XML file, upload by cPanel, file manager, public_HTML. This version is eligible by all PHP, HTML, WordPress, Joomla, Drupal. All will be coding website will be same processor. Will be HTML website, Joomla, Drupal, WordPress, PHP. Eligible by any coding website same. cPanel, file manager, public_HTML. Upload the file. Click for verify. Any verification is eligible Bing Webmaster along with the sitemap.xml. Without upload sitemap.xml, it will not verify Bing webmaster tool. So verify progress, the facing problem. Select it. Download is correct. Select your file and click for verify. Verify is a facing problem. You can check this option. You can check this URL. You can check the option. Small verification problem. You can rectify this. Click for verify. Check this. So the issue will be called the website will be no XML file. That's a problem. The website will be no XML file. Just you can download XML file. Any file will be not found out XML sitemap. It is facing problem here. Upload it, paste it. So checking purpose, you can check by here sitemap.xml. It will generate by the old files. Generating for old file. That is a problem for this website. So that is called you can download by the new XML sitemap file. Copy, paste it. Select your more option. Always start your scanning. Check your download folder. Any sitemap, remove it. Close it. So file will be added. The total is scan files. Any will be error will be problem that is called XML sitemap will be wrong. Any website will find out XML sitemap will be wrong. Just select it. Download. After that, go to Save panel. Click for same option. Add it. Reload. Now check this website. Select it. Now see this. Update done. All will be Maman's XML sitemap. After that, click for verify. So it will be now successful be running this option. Select this option for coding. You will facing problem by XML file. Just copy this coding. Just go to your C panel. Option call is file manager. Just go to public underscore HTML. Select your option call is in your website. Select by the header.php. Select your head option. Click for save change. After save change, copy this code. We'll check the all pages. Sometimes is a facing problem for some other websites. Control U, Control F. Find out this code eligible by all pages are mandatory. All pages will be mandatory. Control U, Control F, Control V. Showing or not? All pages. So after you can verify the option. Sorry, click for verify. Still facing problem. Wait for a second. It will done successful be using by this option. So every option will be same option will be here. If XML will be not suitable, add the file will be all header files. So this one. Any Bing Webmaster tool will be configured along with the sitemap.xml is very important. Sitemap.xml will be very important. This will be updated by the Google Search Console by and Bing Search Console by the particular website. Google will be Google purpose, Bing will be Yahoo and Bing search engine purpose. Without Search Console, the website can't index by the Bing and Yahoo search engine. This is called set up by the Bing Search Console by HTML, PHP, WordPress, and any kind of coding website.